guys, students, I'm here back here video. Today it is Sunday, June 21st, 2026. Today we're at Frederick's Historical Park in Montgomery, Texas. So let's get this video started. Pretty cool. Check out this bench right here, everybody.
I did.
Did you get a picture? Did you get a video of that?
All of it. Wow. So this is the Arnold Simon House, I think, or the Holton House. One of these two is what it is. This is the Holton House. Can we enter? Window check, it sounds like. Yeah.
Okay, all right. Thank you. You're welcome.
So what's it through that fence? It's like
Here we have the crane cabin. Looks like they had to replace some of the planks over the years. Oh.
yeah.
Here is another cabin. It might be a cabin, not 100% sure. Wow, that's cool in there. Whoa. Is there stuff? Oops.
Hey.
Hi.
This cabin is one of the 5 oldest cabins in Texas.
Wow.
Built in 1830, about 6 miles southwest of Huntsville.
Alright, that'll be the next video.
California.
So this is a California redwood tree.
And they described how they purchased this log and had it shipped back here. Didn't really say why they did it. I guess for 6 years.
So this tree has been around since 1150.
350 feet tall. That's
Hun-
the length of
Photograph permit required in park.
This is the California redwood tree. The Tharps, Carol Tharp, who gathered up these cabins here, took a vacation to California, and they bought this log and had it shipped back. They had it aged by someone who knew how to age the trees properly. And they say that this tree was seeded in the year 1115. So this particular tree, if you go all the way up to 2026, is 908 years old.
Wow.
It's 7 feet across in diameter. This is not one of the largest ones. Some of the larger ones get up to as far as 20 and even longer, wider than 20 feet at the base. So they're enormous trees, and they can get up to heights over 350 feet, all the way up to, I think the tallest one was 386, something like that.
Wow.
So you're talking about a big, long tree. And they're just amazing, beautiful trees. They're the oldest living trees on the planet. They live longer than anything else on the planet. They live 2,500 years or longer. Okay. The only thing that brings them down eventually would be wind and of course cutting. There used to be some forestry. They don't do it anymore, but there used to be. They used to clear the forest with those, and of course the beautiful wood, redwood. So, they don't have a taproot. They have root system that only goes down about 10 or 12 feet, but it spreads out wide as far as 60 to 80 feet, and then it entwines with the other trees that are around them, their root system, and they entwine together. So it's like everybody's holding each other up.
Wow.
So they're
That is so
very
Wow.
they're very strong. They add a lot to the environment. I mean, there's just so many things that they do for the environment. They're just magnificent trees. If you ever get a chance to see them, you should, because they will blow you away. That's my story.
Well,
Thank
so
you.
much.
Okay.
Well, everyone, that is going to do today's video here at Fernland Historical Park. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a like down below. Subscribe if you're new, and hit that notification bell on so you guys never miss a video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, have a great rest of your day. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bonus footage. Future video at the Longviews Greens Venture Golf Course at some point in the future.
Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future, right by 2 of my favorite spots.